Hi guys, this is Miss Fuentes. I wanted to hop on here really quick and just give you guys a super fast tutorial on how you guys are going to attach your final research project for this class. It is due on Thursday of next week, so you guys want to make sure that you are planning ahead so that you're not overwhelmed. And you're going to be turning this in a little bit differently than you guys have turned in the other assignments in the course. So I wanted to show you how to do it. I was working on practicing showing you guys how to do it earlier, and some of the features are not working, but as long as you pay attention to the steps, it should work for you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and get into it really quick. All right, so I'm going to go to my classroom, and here I'm pretending to be a student. So you guys will hit classwork up here, and you're going to go down to week 4, November 2nd through 6th. You're going to click View Assignment, and you're going to hit Add or Create. So if you already created your presentation and you are submitting it now, you're going to click Google Drive, and you're going to wait for this box to pop up, and it should be under this Recent tab. You'll click on the presentation you want to attach, and you'll hit Insert. So when I say it wasn't working for me, this is what I mean. If you look down at the bottom, it says couldn't attach file. So I'm going to just dismiss that. But if you guys do it that way, it should end up popping up here in this box on the upper right-hand corner. And then you will hit Turn In. If you have not done your presentation yet, you're going to go here to Create New, and you're going to hit Slides, and it will create a slides presentation for you and take you over there. So you're going to complete the presentation. And I also uploaded an example for you guys so that you can look at kind of the format and how everything is set up. So that way it'll make it easier for you if you're a little bit stuck. So once you guys do that, you're going to hit Turn In, and it will ask you if you're sure, so you're going to say Turn In. If you don't click Turn In, then it doesn't submit it to me, and I don't know that you actually completed it, so just make sure you guys follow that step. I think other than that, that's really all I wanted to show you guys, and I just hope you guys are all doing well. Please contact me if you guys have any questions or you're struggling with anything at all. We are here, and I hope you guys all have been keeping safe and healthy, and stay safe and healthy if you are celebrating the Halloween holiday this weekend in any capacity. Okay, bye guys.